Hello, welcome to this third section about computer science and its foundations. This section will be about programming. We studied algorithmics with pseudocode describing an algorithm. Now we'll talk about the software implementation of these algorithms. This section is divided into three parts. The first one is machine code, so what the CPU is able to understand exactly. Then, we'll talk about compilation and higher-level languages, so the programmer's side. Then we'll talk about bugs and we'll classify programming languages. We'll start with the closest to the CPU of the machine of the architecture, machine code. Gerard Barry said that the computer is completely stupid. So it's not able to do anything intelligent. The only intelligence is in the brain of the programmer. Computers, smartphones, tablet computers, all these things are not magical objects. They are really stupid things, and we need to tell them what they have to do and to help them to prepare the things to do. So the algorithm has to be thoroughly prepared. Its electronic system is very advanced, very complex, but still, it's only an electronic system. So a computer is stupid, it can just obey simple orders, and these simple orders are machine code, also known as assembly language, which depends on your CPU. So these instructions are very limited. There's only a finite number of them, a small number, and so the kind of things a computer can do is transfer things from the global to the local memory. It can compare two values. It can add, multiply, and divide two values. It can also jump to another label of a program to do loops or run tests. So, many very simple, unit things. I'll give you an example. Here a piece of x86 assembly language. I'll analyze it for you. So mul is used to put values in registries. There, we'll put 0 in a registry, then $7 in another registry. Then we have a comparison, CMPL. That will compare the value 0 with what's in the registry number 4. Then, from the result of this comparison, there's a test. And depending on the result of this test, we'll jump to another label of the program, which is label L2, and then we do something else. What we see immediately is that this is not attractive. It's incomprehensible and it'll be really hard to understand what's in there. So the only conclusion is that we really don't want to write assembly language. That's why we'll use higher level languages and compilation.